Ever wondered how you can create stunning 3D assets in under a minute? In this video, I'm going to reveal the magic behind Meta 3D Gen, a groundbreaking AI tool that's changing the game for 3D asset creation. Whether you're a game developer, a digital artist, or just someone curious about the latest in AI technology, this video is for you. Meta 3D Gen promises high-quality, fast, and accurate 3D asset generation like never before. And I'm here to show you exactly how it works and why it's a big deal. Stay tuned as I dive into the features of Meta 3D Gen and demonstrate its capabilities. By the end of this video, you'll see how easily you can create lifelike 3D assets with just a few prompts. Today, we're exploring Meta 3D Gen, the latest innovation in text-to-3D asset generation. This tool not only speeds up the creation process, but also ensures top-notch quality and fidelity. So, let's dive right in and see what Meta 3D Gen has to offer. Meta 3D Gen is a state-of-the-art pipeline designed to generate 3D assets from text prompts in record time. It excels in producing high-fidelity shapes and textures within just a minute. One of its standout features is the support for physically based rendering, PBR, which is crucial for realistic lighting in 3D applications. Additionally, it offers generative retexturing, allowing users to modify existing 3D shapes using new textual inputs. At the core of Meta 3D Gen are two key components: Meta 3D Asset Gen and Meta 3D Texture Gen. These tools work together to represent 3D objects in three distinct spaces: view space, volumetric space, and UV, or texture space. By combining these methods, 3D Gen achieves a remarkable 68% win rate compared to single-stage models. This integration ensures that the generated assets are not only high quality, but also versatile and adaptable. When it comes to performance, 3D Gen outshines many industry baselines. It's faster and more accurate, especially with complex textual prompts. This makes it a valuable tool for professionals who need quick and reliable 3D asset generation without compromising on quality. Now let's see Meta 3D Gen in action. Demonstrate using the tool. Start by inputting a text prompt and watch as the 3D asset is generated within seconds. Show different examples, highlighting the high fidelity and detail of the created assets. As you can see, the results are impressive, and the process is incredibly fast. Meta 3D Gen is a game-changer for anyone involved in 3D asset creation. Its speed, quality, and ease of use make it an essential tool in the digital creation toolkit. If you have any questions or want to see more demonstrations, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.